I never rinse this out anymore, and honestly my hair grew like crazy. This simple hair growth spray has completely changed my hair game for good, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how I make this hairspray using very simple ingredients that you are already familiar with on the channel. For this hair growth spray, you will be needing rosemary leaves. Of course, we already know that rosemary is great in stimulating scalp and boosting blood circulation, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth. And of course, we are going to be needing fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed help to reduce shedding and also strengthen your hair follicles. And then we'll be needing carrots. Carrot is packed with lots and lots of vitamins which help to nourish your hair from the roots to the tip. So we are going to be combining these three great ingredients together.
Got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
I am adding hot water to infuse everything together, and I'm going to be infusing this overnight. If you're in a rush, you could infuse yours for 2 to 3 hours, but I always recommend infusing your DIY hairspray overnight so you can get all the nutrients from all the ingredients you're using. So I'm going to be covering this up and let it infuse overnight. I'm going to keep it in a dark place to infuse, and then the next day I'm gonna show you what our hair growth spray looks like. Don't go away at this point.
Take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
As you can see from the video, the next morning our hair growth spray was more concentrated and the fenugreek was looking very soft because it has doubled in size, and that is a great sign to show that all the ingredients has released its nutrient into the hair growth spray. I'm going to be preserving this as I'm going to blend this in another video and use as my DIY deep conditioner. Before I go ahead to show you how I apply my hair growth spray, I want to take a minute to show you how to preserve your DIY hair growth spray, because this has no preservative. So if you leave it out without preserving it the right way, it's going to go bad after 2 days or 3 days. So I always get this question in the comment section: how do I preserve my DIY hairspray? And today I decided to show you how to do it. So all you just need to do is to get your ice tray, pour them in and leave it in your freezer for as long as you want. Each time you want to use your hair growth spray, just take 2 to 3 cubes depending on the volume of your hair and let it melt. Once it melts, pour it into your spray bottle and you are good to go. This is so easy to make, guys, and this is going to last. It is going to retain its nutrient as long as you keep it in the freezer and it is frozen. I'm going to show you a video of how it looks when it's frozen.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night.
I am using this spray on a clean scalp because I am not going to rinse it out. This spray is a lightweight spray but very powerful because of the ingredients I use, which is rosemary, and rosemary encourages fast hair growth. Fenugreek thickens and strengthens hair, while carrot, of course, supplies nutrients that keep the hair healthy and shiny. So combining these 3 ingredients together make an amazing daily spray that promotes strong, long and beautiful hair. Spray this directly onto your scalp, your roots and your tip. Make sure every part of your hair is benefiting from this hair growth spray, and then go ahead to gently massage in to promote blood circulation, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning.
This is where a lot of people get it wrong. You cannot use a leave-in spray and not use a sealant. So right here, I am going in with my DIY hair butter to seal in the moisture. If you don't like butters, you can go ahead to use your leave-in conditioner to seal in the moisture so your hair doesn't become dry after a few hours of using this DIY hair growth spray. There is no need to rinse this out. It is a leave-in spray. You can use this daily or at least 3 times a week for best results. Try this consistently and watch how your hair transforms. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on notification for more hair growth remedies, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.